A pyramid like this is not just a garden decoration. It is a clever way to grow strawberries vertically that saves space and water. The fruit does not lie on the ground, so it rots less often and is less exposed to pests. In a small garden, this idea makes a big difference and makes plant care easier. Make your garden look like it came straight out of a magazine. Egg cartons help space the bulbs perfectly every time. Place the bulbs into the indentations and cover them with soil. Thanks to the even spacing, you'll get a dense, harmonious row of tulips that looks exceptionally elegant. Are snails destroying your garden? This will save your plants. First, prepare a tall container. Pour in about 17 ounces of water. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of strong alcohol. This addition not only boosts the mixture, but also gives it properties that might surprise you in a good way. Then add 1 tablespoon of barley malt. This is a natural ingredient that has been used for centuries, not only in cooking, but also in many household hacks. Barley malt has a distinct, pleasant aroma. Mix everything thoroughly until it becomes one well-blended mixture. Pour it into the empty milk carton. This carton is more than just packaging. Take it to your garden and place it where you most often see snails. Make sure the carton is open and lying on its side so every snail can get in. The smell of the malt works like a magnet, quickly attracting pests straight into the trap. With this trick, you'll effectively catch all the snails that are damaging your plants. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Make a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your seedlings using what you already have in your garden. Just gather the grass growing around. Even ordinary weeds will work. Grass has properties that improve soil quality, speed up plant growth, increase resistance to disease, and strengthen the root system. Take a handful of grass and put it into a bucket, filling it halfway. Then chop the plants into smaller pieces. Now take a piece of gauze, spread it out, and place the chopped plants in the center. Fold the gauze inward to form a small pouch. Place this pouch into the bucket filled with water and close it. Let it sit for a few days until the contents begin to ferment. From these humble plants will come the best nutrients, a natural plant-based essence rich in everything your seedlings need. After a few days, mix 1 measure of the liquid with 5 liters of water and use it to water your seedlings. You can also use the undiluted version for larger, stronger plants. It's a natural and effective way to promote faster growth, richer colors, and greater resistance, all from something we usually consider garden waste. 1 tablespoon can replace a ton of manure. From now on, you won't need to buy expensive plant products. This mixture can replace many different fertilizers, delivering incredible results in your garden. Here's how to make it. Prepare a blender. First, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of soil microorganisms and increases the amount of organic matter, which helps plants grow and develop better. Add 3 small teaspoons of potato starch. Potato starch contains 3 essential elements for plant growth: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements ensure that plants grow properly. Next, add a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is an effective fungicide and helps plants absorb nutrients. It also has antibacterial properties that protect plants from diseases. Pour half a liter of water into the blender and blend everything thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Then, dilute the mixture with an additional liter of water. To use the mixture, measure out 1 cup and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this solution to water and spray the soil and plants. This is an excellent fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other garden plants. Put strawberries in water and add 1 ingredient. Everyone will ask why your strawberries are so sweet and stay fresh for so long. Additionally, you'll get rid of bugs and mold spores. The strawberries will be sweeter and stay fresh longer. Usually, we bring strawberries home, rinse them with water, and start enjoying them. It should be done differently. First, get a bowl. Fill it with water and place the strawberries in it. Now you have 2 options. One is to add salt. Don't worry, the strawberries won't taste salty. Almost everyone knows that salt enhances sweetness. Thanks to salt, everything tastes sweeter, even strawberries. But that's not the main reason we soak strawberries in salt. Wait for about 15 minutes. After this time, look in the bowl and at your strawberries. If there were bugs in the strawberries, they will come out. If there weren't any, you'll just see dirt in the bowl. Rinse the strawberries thoroughly with clean water and put them in a serving bowl. The second method is to add apple cider vinegar to the water with the strawberries. This will not only get rid of bugs, but also mold spores. This way, your strawberries will stay fresh much longer. Just like with the first trick, rinse the strawberries thoroughly with clean water before eating them. Add 1 teaspoon in March to your strawberries. During the season, you'll be harvesting them by the kilo. If you want to enjoy delicious sweet strawberries, take care of them right after winter. Start by taking a glass container and pouring in 2 cups of hot, but not boiling water. Then, prepare coffee. Coffee contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium, all the nutrients strawberries need to grow. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee to the container. Next, add 1 teaspoon of wood ash. Wood ash provides strawberries with calcium and potassium and also strengthens their roots. Now, mix the solution well. After mixing thoroughly, cover the container with plastic wrap and let it sit for 24 hours. After that time, dilute the mixture by adding another 2 cups of water. Use the mixture to water young strawberry seedlings before planting them in the garden, as well as those already growing in the soil. Repeat the process once or twice a month, and you'll enjoy tasty and abundant strawberries all season long.